Hello, we are Kingdom Covenant Connections, and we would love if y'all would join us coming up for our annual Unity Walk. This is going to be the 20th year that we've been doing this, and we would love if you would come out for prayer. We're going to be walking in Lyons Park. It is Friday the 12th.
It's career day.
Yes, it's career day. Saturday the 13th, we're going to have the walk. We'll have things for the children. We'll have praise and worship, but it's really to celebrate the unity and to give back in the community. And I'll be here to stretch us out before we walk. So we're going to have a lot of fun. Things for everyone to do.
Yeah. Free music, free food, free fun. Just come on out.
Yeah.
We're here to praise the Lord and lift each other up. That's what it's all about.